Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a hot topic, Google Chat versus Slack in 2025. Which platform is better for your team collaboration and messaging needs? Let's find out. Quick note, everything you'll hear is based on current research and personal opinion. Your ideal choice may depend on your team's specific needs. Slack is known as the hub where work happens. It offers powerful third-party integrations, flexible workflows, and channels that help keep conversations organized. It's loved by teams that rely heavily on tools like Zoom, Jira, or Salesforce. On the flip side, Google Chat is built right into Google Workspace. It integrates seamlessly with Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and of course, Google Meet. For teams using Google tools, this can mean big productivity gains without switching platforms. However, opinions from real users paint a more complicated picture. One Redditor noted comparing Slack and Google Chat presents a nuanced challenge. Comparing Slack and Google Chat presents a nuanced challenge. Slack shines with integrations and customization, while Google Chat is best for organizations already embedded in the Google ecosystem. Another user brought up Google's short product life cycles about concern for long-term reliability. Meanwhile, Slack users complain about recent performance issues, clunky web access, and privacy frustrations, like being unable to hide your email. As for support, reviews on Trustpilot reveal frustrations on both sides. Slack's recent updates are making the app worse, while Google Chat users are citing hidden support systems and billing issues that feel like traps. So, which one is better in 2025? If your team is deeply integrated with Google Workspace and wants simplicity, Google Chat may offer a smoother, cost-effective ride. But if you need advanced integrations and flexibility despite the recent gripes, Slack still holds the edge. And that's it for today's video. Have you made the switch, or are you thinking about it? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.